to maintain the twist. 2, 3, keeping the feet fixed. Similar to move that side. This stick shift, हाँ, till your hand is straight. बस ये हाथ bend कैसे हुआ? Okay, Ritesh sir will go. Sir, Ritesh sir, you are teaching the left side first to him. Go sir, all of you. Move to the left side. Wait. Move to the left side and hold on. 2. Sir देखेंगे कैसे गलत कर रहे हैं. 3, 4, 5. चलिए नीचे जाइए, ट्विस्ट कीजिए. राइट साइड ऑफ द स्टिक, आउटर लेफ्ट फुट. 1, इनका हाथ. 2, नीचे तक मत लेके जाइए, आधा कीजिए. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale and come back. Exhale, release. Watch there what is happening. Watch there what is happening. Now if a student is not able to do, then how will you giving the hands on support? Inhale and come back. Okay, sir, align both the stick. I'll just check where is the mistake happening. Okay.
No, I didn't bend down.
No, 1 minute. So twist. The first action was twist. Twist. This was the first action. Second action was we need to take this stick this side. Okay. So forget about this side. Now this is extra here. Move that side. This is stick, shift. Till your hand is straight. Bas, that's it. Now start moving. Not outer foot, wherever you feel the space. Bas. Yeah. This is where he has to hold. Wait. It was 2 feet, na?
Yes, it was more than 2 feet.
Sir. Keep your hip straight and strong. Straight knee. Bas, hold it here. 8. Did I touch?
No.
2. So where was you were thinking of taking this stick outer. What I thought, why? He can't come here, till here, because his body is not aligned. Moving this hand out of the stick and then taking that stick outer this and then losing the trunk and then making a twist, no point.
Can you try extending, splitting 1 feet extra and then try?
Then try.
Heels out, toes in. You do that. Yes. Amazing.
Little better than the previous one.
But it was intense. This I felt is easy.
No, because the feet has been, but this is turning. This has to shift back.
Hip is turning.
This the hip is turning. That also should not turn.
There are
Chalo,
three major techniques I observed here. One is the splitting of the leg almost 3 feet apart. This is one. Second, when you are holding the stick, you are holding like this, going this. You are not locking with your elbow. So locking with the elbow will give you more grip, and it is not on the neck. Otherwise, you will injure your neck, go down. And third number is you are in the center. Third number, if you are bending left, right, you shift the stick to right side more. Little more, so that you will get the grip. Then you can come. You can push it down. That way. इनका फोटो लेना चाहिए.
Okay, coming to the next twist हो गया ना. Take your both the hands up. Take the stick front. Stick, place it in the stand, in a standing line. Now raise your both the hands up over the stick. The lower back will go back. The hands will stretch up. Hold here. 1, a forward fold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, come back to the neutral position. Now right foot straight front, left foot straight slightly more back. Bas. Both the feet facing forward, mat distance wide, keep it mat distance wide. Keeping your hip square, shift the hip back and extend both the hands up on the top of the stick. Holding here. 1. Keep your hip square. Ashwita, raise the hands up, up, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the left hand down without releasing the right hand. Left hand downward and stick will come against the chest. So both the hands will come along with the stick. The stick is touching your chest sideways. Extend the hand. Bas. Elongate your hands along with the stick and the stick will come close to your chest. Open the spine, keeping the feet fixed. Similar to Parivritta Trikona Asana. Inhale, come back. Exhale, central position, reaching to central position. Right foot back, coming to the central position. Feet hip distance wide apart or keep it wide, mat distance wide, so that again you reach to the directly to the position. Yes. Now both the hands up. 1, sink down. 2, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Left foot आगे, right foot पीछे. Mat distance legs. Keep your both the legs mat distance. Sink down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कौन सा हाथ नीचे आएगा? अपोजिट हाथ. राइट हाथ नीचे. Stick against the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Palms facing outward. 6, 7. Inhale and come back. Exhale, release. Lateral stretch का एक और तरीका बताती हूँ. Keep the stick back of the body और आप हॉरिजेंटल मैट को यूज़ कीजिए. तो उधर टर्न कर जाइए. दोनों पैरों को हिप के डिस्टेंस के बराबर रखिए. लैटरल स्ट्रेच ही हम बताएंगे. हाथों को खोल दीजिए. ओपन योर बोथ द हैंड्स. नाउ स्टिक बैक ऑफ द चेस्ट. यहाँ से 1. Inhale center. Exhale left. Center inhale. Right exhale. Center inhale. Left exhale. Center inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. एक्सेल. राइट साइड रुकेंगे. होल्ड कीजिए. 1. अब इसको समझना है. इन लाइन है ना, इन लाइन प्लेन है, तो बटक जब हम झुकेंगे तो बटक पीछे नहीं जाएगा. हम इसी पोजीशन में रहेंगे. इस बातों का ध्यान रखेंगे टीचर्स. इनहेल एंड कम बैक. एक्सेल. दूसरी तरफ का स्ट्रेच. लेफ्ट साइड इन लाइन स्ट्रेच. पैरों को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखें. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale and come back. Exhale, sit down in Malasana. I'm holding like this only. हाँ, sit down in Malasana. Now Malasana का 2-3 वेरिएशंस हमने रोप पे किया था. अभी स्टिक के साथ 2-3 वेरिएशंस करेंगे मालासना का. दिस इज 1 वेरिएशन.
Shorter distance.
हाँ.
And then turn it.
Turn it. 2. 3. इसको अंदर से बाहर लेके जाइए. 1 मिनट. हाँ हाँ, 1 मिनट छोड़िए. आप पकड़िए. सही है नहीं? चेंज कीजिए. हाँ बस. This is one way to do it. You know how generally the men is suffering, right? All the ladies are completely fine. Why? Biology. Ladies' lower part of the body will be always little flexible than the men. है ना? Extend the hands forward with the stick. Sit down, sit down. Now this is the another version. So for men, this is better one.
This I could not do, man. Though I sit in Malasana in the house and all and read and all those.
So this is the second version. This they will feel little better, comfortable.
Heels flat, no?
It's your wish, no? Heels flat or up. 3, how you are comfortable. 4, but the chest has to feel comfortable and open. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. यहाँ से हम ट्विस्ट करेंगे. कौन सा किस तरफ ट्विस्ट करेंगे? राइट की तरफ ट्विस्ट करेंगे तो लेफ्ट हाथ नीचे आ जाएगा. पहले क्या करेंगे? पहले लेफ्ट हाथ को राइट एंकल पे रखेंगे. लेफ्ट हाथ को राइट एंकल पे रखिए. होल्ड हियर. 1. दिस इज वर्जन 1. 2, ट्विस्ट. 3, 4, 5. राइट हाथ को स्टिक पे रख दीजिए. सॉरी, हाँ, लेफ्ट हाथ को स्टिक पे रख दीजिए एंड ट्विस्ट कीजिए. हु इज गिविंग पावर? द लेफ्ट एल्बो इज गिविंग पावर if you bend it, and also your left knee is also giving the support.
Pick up the heels.
Yeah, correct. Inhale and come back. Exhale, release. It's a lateral stretch and a twist, so keep the hands away. Changing to other side. So this is a lateral, so keeping the hands up. Moving your stick away from the body. And then if you are taking both the hands on the stick, then check your right elbow and right inner thigh is creating a relation to maintain the twist. 2, 3. So slightly bending of this elbow you require. Yeah? 5. Yes, yes. 6 and 7. Inhale and come back. Exhale, sit down. Sit down. Extend both the hands forward. Both the hands forward. Stretch forward. Hold here. 1. Naukasana, reverse. 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 When you are going away from the floor, it is inhale. Away from the floor. Reverse. Away, up, inhale. And lower, exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. इनहेल अप, एक्सेल, इनहेल अप, एक्सेल। रुकेंगे रुकेंगे, लेग को क्रॉस कीजिए, लेग को क्रॉस कीजिए, स्टैंड अप राइट। हाँ, इसको कैसे करना है मैं बताती हूँ, इसको कैसे कोऑर्डिनेशन में करना है एक डांस की तरह। यहाँ से आपको ऊपर उठना था, तो लेग क्रॉस, शिफ्ट फॉरवर्ड, इनहेल, टेक क्रॉसिंग लेग एंड टेक अ बैक बेंड। ओके, नाउ कमिंग फॉरवर्ड, exhale, keeping the legs crossed, shift forward and going this। ठीक है, चलो इसको हम 3-4 टाइम्स करेंगे। ऊपर उठना, नीचे बैठना। हाँ, वैसे नहीं, धीरे धीरे करेंगे।